Today's gonna be like very amazing podcast. Grandmom turn exporter आपको पता भी नहीं है. You can't even imagine how many lives we are going to touch and transform and inspire through this podcast. Ma'am, let's do a quick round. क्या payment terms पे आपने काम किया?
50% advance and 50% against beer.
Scan documents. Okay, got it. What profit margin?
8%, sir.
Scope of repetition?
Monthly basis. In the course of time, I lost 8 to 10 big orders. Only because they were not paying me in advance. I did not mind that. Consistently, I was doing only working for.
Namaskar, everybody. Welcome each one of you to one more podcast. One of the inspiring, unique, and a very amazing podcast. Grandmom turn exporter. We have our guest, our participant, all the way from Chennai, Sabreen ma'am. Sabreen ma'am, first of all, thank you very much for being here and sharing your time and your entire world of wisdom and journey here in the podcast. Warm welcome to you.
Sir. Thank you so much, sir. Nice giving the speech to you.
Got it. Sabreen ma'am, this is the day, this is the moment, हम वेट करते हैं. ये हमारे लिए एक फ्रीक्वेंसी शिफ्टर है, हमारे लिए मोमेंट है, ये सेलिब्रेशन है. Today is gonna be like very amazing podcast. Grandmom turn exporter आपको पता भी नहीं है. You can't even imagine how many lives we are going to touch and transform and inspire through this podcast. Great. So Sabreen ma'am, let's start the podcast. I invite you to kindly introduce yourself so that viewers and audience can know about you. There you go.
I'm Sabreen Bahmani here from Alpha Impex India, Chennai. I was a complete mom, hands-on mom, wife, now a grandmother, a complete homemaker before.
Brilliant. That's amazing. Ma'am, somebody who's a like homemaker, wife, and now grandmom. Why business? Let's first unfold this and I'll later come to why export. Like क्यों mind में ख्याल आया business? आपके बारे में detail में बताएं.
Actually, when the sons got married and had my daughters with me who were sharing my responsibility, I was completely left out of the urge to gain knowledge, which landed me in a being exporter page for 2 days course. And it was too good and fantastic, too good to believe the money I paid. Just simple, proven strategies, which has to be consistent. And really like the weather. Thing that inspired me. I thought, why not export? Just for the urge of knowledge, I joined your course, nothing else. And it inspired me a lot for 2 days course.
Wow. So it's like you are now available to take on something new, and then you saw that and you were there.
Definitely, sir.
Brilliant.
Just of knowledge and to do something for the society and community at large, a little contribution to my nation. That was the only aim, being blessed financially. I did not have any other aim to do.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's amazing. So, Sabreen, ma'am, you don't have any background from export, from business, or let's say from product, from manufacturing. So, first thing first, okay? How you identify the product?
And just when I was talking with my brother, he said that green construction materials are too much in demand, Didi. Can you ask your sons to do it? And I have grown up sons, all three of them. Okay, they are into business already. They are in the shipping industry. Each one have their own family businesses, but with their own different companies. I asked them to join something and do something different, but they were too busy to look into that. So I thought, why not me? Simply sitting at home. So that was a moment of click to do something in the green construction materials, sir.
Oh, I got it. So since there is a family and then there was product which was already there and now you are clear about the scope. Okay, so how you got a validation कि यही product में काम करना है?
Just with the urge, I joined the course. Then I worked on it, the product knowledge, but it did not click out in the beginning. So I had variety, a bunch of products with your course. You guided me, it should not be a one product. So I tried in for multiple products, but finally clicked in what I started with.
That's amazing. Ma'am, let's do a quick round. क्या payment terms पे आपने काम किया?
50% advance and 50% against beer.
Scan documents. Okay, got it. What profit margin?
8%, sir.
Scope of repetition?
Monthly basis.
Ma'am, I wanted to know, like curious to know, family की क्या feeling रही? Grandmom turn exporter, like something which is very unique.
They have one word, ecstatic. Okay. They were just in the illusion I was gaining knowledge with something, studying different courses. They never expected me to land up in something product.
Right.
And do business and start something of my own.
Got it. That's amazing. Loud and clear. Ma'am, usually, people, those who are entering into export industries, either, I mean, in this industry, either they are beginner or let's say
Yes.
are a seasoned player. Sometimes they come up with a concern,
Mhm.
buyer trust नहीं करेगा, payment advance में नहीं भेजेगा. What was your experience in this?
No, sir. Since I was a new beginner, I followed all your instructions very religiously. Nothing, no ifs and buts. And it really worked out for me. Okay. And 50% advance definitely I got. In the course of time, I lost 8 to 10 big orders. But only because they were not paying me in advance. I did not mind that. Consistently, I was doing only working for advance payments, and it really worked out in a course of 1 year time.
Great, great, fabulous. For you took a year, and then there were a few orders which were not matching the payment in terms. Ma'am, this is something which is really, inspiring because once people are entering into the industry, if they
Mhm.
come from a quick rich scheme, they become so impulsive. But
Yeah.
this is what is required. It's life transforming work.
You
And
never
what,
allowed me to do anything, sir. Apart from advance payment, you never allowed me. So many times I called you whether I can go for it. No, ma'am, no, please. Only with advance payment, you said. You made it very clear to me. So since I don't know anything, I just followed your advice blindly, sir.
got it. Brilliant. Super awesome. Ma'am, the moment you had it on,
Mhm.
reaching to the buyer, participating in live sessions,
Yeah.
sitting on a calls, Zoom meetings with your buddies, your accountability partners, captains, accounts manager, कोई मेमोरी बनी है आपकी कम्युनिटी में? अगर है तो क्या है?
Yeah, all of them are so good. They're helping each other. It's like building up the entire nation in a small community of us. That inspired me and it helped me. It was like everyone was so large hearted. I never expected that. From all over the India as well as the world, helping each other, guiding each other. It was truly amazing, sir, to be in your community. Not a one memory. We have a journey, like a string of memories, not anything in particular. Because everything, the journey itself was very beautiful.
Brilliant, brilliant, amazing. मैम, व्यूवर्स जो हैं हमारे ऑडियंसेस, लेट्स से दे आर वाचिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल और इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी or
Yes.
Facebook or any some ad campaign, some event. These are aspiring exporters and exporters.
Yes, sir.
Exporters and aspiring exporters audience है. Export industry के बारे में क्या मैसेज दोगे आप?
Export industry, it is the thing, main thing of today. It helps in nation's progress. So innovation, quality and sustainability, really, it drives us exporters. Let's continue to support each other to building a stronger nation, sir. Complete. It was a really an amazing experience. Beautiful.
Great,
That's one word.
great. And what future is now, possible for you? What vision you can create for yourself? What is there now?
Yeah, as advised and guided by you, I'm working on multiple products in multiple countries so that I'm never left out at work due to any geopolitical issues or anything else. Completely going by that.
Brilliant. Super, super awesome. Respected ma'am. मैम मैम कभी सोचा था आपने लाइक अ ग्रैंड मॉम टर्न एक्सपोर्टर ऐसा टाइटल भी आप लेकर जाएंगे?
No, sir, never, sir. Because anyone, I now I feel anyone can do it. When I can at 50, without any, what to say, entrepreneurial skills or anything, anyone can do. Definitely with the product knowledge, of course. I did not have any when I started my journey.
Wow. Wow. Anything which you want to address from our end, what support you got from us in this entire journey?
It was a complete hand-holding guidance which landed me in my goals, sir. What to say? I did not invest a penny except for the website and for the few certifications and license. What to say? With proper guidance, I can do anything now. Everything is only because of you, all, sir.
And your hard work, ma'am, your dedication, your practices, your mocks, presentation, sending quotations, and then being okay with once payment terms are not being matched, coming up with new products and really
Because
causing
I never
revenue.
had anything to lose. Just
Yeah.
work on what was available. Nothing I had to lose. So just kept on working consistently. Of course.
Fabulous. Fabulous. And this is what is exactly need of an era and need of a nation. Like people, those who are there and just looking for some great opportunity or factory owners or entrepreneurs. This is the work globalization. My dear viewers, that's something which we want really you to, just be present on. अगर आप एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हो तो देर आर टू मेजर रीजन. वन इज शायद आपके पास जानकारी नहीं है या फिर
Yes.
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं कर रहे हो आप. So if you don't have information sufficient, you're requested to join in your cities, in your areas, in your state, our nation, virtual, online, Zoom, whatever works for you are with us. But please make sure that you are having all the clarity about export industry and then you implement. Once you manage the consistency, you will be like somebody, sitting here, grandmom turned exporter and inspiring others. That's fabulous. Sabrine ma'am, thank you very much for investing your time and sharing your
Thank you
word
so
of
much for
wisdom.
all your guidance and everything, sir.
Looking forward to serve you with fullest possible capacities.
Thank you so much, sir.
Right.
Thank you.
Viewers, this was Grandmom Turn Exporter. I'll be coming back with one more podcast very soon. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Hey? Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.